Hi, I'm Justin Ashby with bestcompany.com, and today we're going to be talking about invisible braces and which companies are offering the best overall product. You've probably heard of these plastic things called aligners that have been giving consumers a cheaper and more discreet alternative to those metal braces. Hey, this is actually something I could have used 15 years ago, but even now as well. I wore braces, but my teeth have moved, I haven't been wearing my retainer, and you might actually be watching this video because you're sitting in the same situation. So it's actually something for people that have worn braces in the past. There are definitely some significant differences between the various brands and products out there, but the process to determine if you're eligible for a treatment plan is actually quite similar. Most companies are gonna ask you to fill out an online questionnaire to find out if this is even a good fit. This is actually best for someone with a mild to moderate case. Depending on the severity, you might not actually be a great fit. Now, once you determine that you are actually eligible for this process, you're gonna have to purchase an at-home impression kit. And it's gonna cost you anywhere from 20 to 50 bucks if you can find a discount. And that's where you actually take a mold of your teeth at home. And once you've completed your impression kit, you actually send it back to the company where a group of dental professionals take that mold and create a custom treatment plan around exactly what you need. Now, keep in mind, these are real orthodontists and dentists overseeing your treatment remotely. Like telemedicine, teledentistry is an extremely fast-growing and highly regulated industry. Your remote care comes from a doctor who is fully licensed and board certified in your local state. So trust us, we did our homework on this one. Then your customized treatment plan will be sent to you digitally, and it'll be a 3D rendering of the treatment process that you're gonna go through. It's also gonna tell you exactly how long everything's gonna take, what that alignment process is gonna look like. So at this point in the process, you actually get to choose if you wanna move forward with the full treatment plan. That's gonna cost you somewhere around $2,000, which is actually a lot of cost savings compared to those old metal guys that we talked about, those traditional braces. Those can cost you anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000. And many of these companies are gonna have some type of financing options as well as accept dental insurance. About a month after purchasing your aligners, you're going to receive all of them at once, and there's gonna be specific instructions in there telling you which aligner to wear at what time and how long you need to be wearing those. And just so you know, your teeth are gonna be sore, especially those first 24 hours of wearing them. It's not overwhelming, but it's gonna be moving your teeth right from the start, and each aligner that you put in there is gonna be moving them more and more. And to make them most effective, you're actually supposed to keep them in your mouth 22 hours out of the day. Anytime you're eating food, take them out, eat your food, clean them up, put them back in. If you're drinking water, that's fine, but I mean, picture laying in that bath, drinking some wine with your aligners, you're gonna have red teeth pretty quick. So make sure to take them out anytime you're eating or drinking anything but water. And then once your treatment plan is complete, you're gonna receive another retainer that's a nighttime retainer. You actually wear it every night to make sure that your teeth don't shift at all. And you will be wearing that as long as you wanna keep those teeth straight. All right, now that you know the basics of invisible braces, let's talk about the different companies out there offering aligners and figure out which one is gonna be best for your specific situation. Today, we're gonna be comparing 3 of the top invisible aligner companies out there: Invisalign, Smile Direct Club, and Byte. While we talk about these 3 different companies, we're gonna be focusing on 4 different things. 1, affordability, very important. 2, the various product lines that each company has. 3, treatment time, differing between each companies for sure. And then of course, some real customer reviews on bestcompany.com. All right, now when we're talking affordability, there's a few things we wanna focus in on. All-in cost is very important. Every step of the process, what are all those costs gonna add up to? Another one is financing options. How are you gonna pay for it? Insurance coverage, something to think about depending on what insurance you have, the different products you're interested in. And then the last one is the service guarantee. You gotta back up that investment that you put into your smile, and each product has something different. So the first company I wanna cover is Invisalign. It's gonna be the most expensive out there, ranging anywhere from $3,000 to $8,000. And there's a couple reasons for that. One, they're gonna send you to a dentist office to actually get that impression, so no at-home impression kit or anything. And then you're also gonna follow up every 6 weeks, and a dentist is gonna check your teeth as a part of this process. A little cumbersome and much more expensive. And because Invisalign is purchased through your dentist's office, there's actually no guarantee that there will be financing options. It just depends on what dentist office you're using. So one clear thing here that differentiates Invisalign from the other products is you have to purchase it through the dentist's office, which just means you're gonna have to use the dentist terms for financing as well as insurance coverage. If they don't offer Invisalign, you might even have to go to another dentist's office. So just some things to consider. Invisalign also doesn't offer any type of service guarantee or money back situation if you don't have a great experience. So there's no promise that the treatment will be successful. Okay, let's move on over to Smile Direct Club. Right away, there's some cost differences here, about $1,900 all in to use Smile Direct Club. And really that has to do more with using virtual dental professionals to help you get trained and help you use the product. You're not going into an office at all, and that's gonna save you a lot of costs. With Smile Direct Club, if you pay up front, it's gonna cost you $1,900. If you wanna finance, a $250 down payment is gonna be necessary at the start, and then it's gonna be 24 monthly payments there on out for $85 each. And that adds up to about $2,300, just so you're aware. While Smile Direct Club does not accept direct payments from insurance providers, they do give you the necessary forms and paperwork to be able to get reimbursements from your insurance provider. And they also accept payments from an FSA or an HSA account. Now, when we start talking about guarantees, Smile Direct Club doesn't really offer any money back or anything like that, but within 30 days of completing your treatment plan, if you're dissatisfied in any way, they can match you up with an orthodontist or a dentist that will review your results. And if approved, you can get additional aligners at no extra cost to fix anything that went wrong. All right, now let's move on to byte. Byte's costs are almost identical to Smile Direct Club's at $1,895 all-in cost. And their financing options and insurance coverage, things like that, nearly identical to Smile Direct Club. However, a major distinction between Smile Direct Club and byte is the Byte for Life guarantee. So anytime after you've used a treatment plan with byte, your smile moves out of alignment or anything like that, byte will at no cost provide you the aligners to be able to fix anything that's gone wrong. As a part of their entire package, byte also throws in this thing called a high frequency vibration device that actually cuts down treatment time by half. It's about a $900 cost that they just throw into the package, which is great. Now, when comparing the affordability of these three companies, again, Invisalign, Smile Direct Club, and byte, we're gonna give byte the edge here. You get a little bit more as a part of their entire package, and it's priced similarly to Smile Direct Club, but that Byte for Life guarantee is really where it sets it apart. It's a little less restrictive than its competitors' guarantees. Okay, now let's talk about the product quality. I have here in my hands an aligner for Smile Direct Club and one for byte. And there's a couple differences here, but overall it is medical grade plastic. Very nice material here. It's gonna feel about the same in your mouth, but a couple differences. Smile Direct Club's a little bulkier and not quite as clear. Byte has been able to create a little sleeker design here. But again, like I said, experience in your mouth is gonna be just the same. And obviously I don't have an Invisalign aligner with me right now. You have to go through your doctor to get one of those, so we weren't able to get one in the studio today. But something to consider, they have an interesting feature called Smart Force that is an attachment that actually goes onto an individual tooth, and it helps with the whole alignment process. When you insert the aligner, it helps keep everything more straight, and they claim it's a better experience for the user. Something unique to Smile Direct Club is this Smile Spa. It uses UV rays to clean your aligners, so you just have to set them in there, it runs for a few minutes and completely wipes out the bacteria that's on the aligners. Let's keep talking about unique features for each company. Byte's product here, this is called a Hyper Byte. It is a high frequency vibration device that you put into your mouth just for 5 minutes a day after you insert your aligner. It helps with discomfort, gets rid of all those little bubbles in the space between your teeth and the aligner, and it actually reduces the time it takes to complete a treatment plan by about half, 3 or 4 months less than the competitors. So a pretty unique product offering with Byte here. Lastly, Smile Direct Club and Byte both come with some teeth whitening products that come as a part of the package that you actually put a gel inside your aligner, put it into your mouth, and it whitens your teeth and freshens your breath while you keep your aligners in your mouth. We get a lot of questions about the amount of time it takes to complete a treatment plan. It's pretty simple. Invisalign, you have some doctor's appointments and things, so it's gonna be 12 to 18 months with them. Smile Direct Club, 4 to 6 months, not too bad. And then Byte can be a little bit shorter time because of their HyperByte device. They claim as low as 3 months using their product. Now, let's talk about what's most important to bestcompany.com. Real customer reviews. As of right now, while you're watching this video, we have more than 2,000 of them just on Invisible Aligner Company. So first, Invisalign. They have about 100 reviews on our site, and it's a 4.5 out of 5 rating. And then we have Smile Direct Club. They have more than 800 reviews, and they're at a 4 out of 5 rating. And Byte, also sitting at more than 800 reviews, has a 4.9 out of 5 rating. Now, at bestcompany.com, we feel like any business that's ranked with a 4.5 average review rating and above is solid. They're clearly doing something right. But we have to mention Byte here. Because of their high volume of reviews and their high rating, they're in the top 1% of all 10,000 companies that have been reviewed on bestcompany.com's site. After comparing all three of these industry-leading invisible aligner companies, our expert recommendation for consumers is to go forward with Byte. Now, I want to mention everyone's situation is different. If you have a serious alignment issue, you may want to go with Invisalign. You're going to be working with a dentist directly. It's going to take you more time and be more expensive than Smile Direct Club and Byte, but it might be the best product offering out there for you. But overall, Byte separates itself from the competition because of its affordability, its Byte for Life guarantee, and the HyperBite technology that's actually reducing treatment time. And most importantly, Byte is just knocking it out of the park with all of the real verified customer reviews on bestcompany.com. It almost has a perfect customer satisfaction score. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm Justin Ashby with bestcompany.com. If you have any more questions about invisible aligner companies, make sure to check out our site. We have videos, blog posts, all sorts of information about those companies, and most importantly, real customer reviews.